Personally, what excites me the most about being able to design this way and manufacture this way is being able to see my designs being born real time. I can come in the morning and I can see them finished on the board, and I know within an hour or two I'm going to have them in my hand.
My wife, Alexandria, actually had a vision. She understood the nature of fabricating jewelry by hand and also had a great sense for design, always has, and she just knew that it would be a great tool.
I've seen some incredible changes in the past decade in our industry and with Bostonian Jewelers. We started making jewelry by hand, sketching on a piece of paper, and now we're using high-tech equipment, 3D CAD, Solidscape, casting. I mean, everything is happening is very efficient and very quick.
Allowing the client to be able to see a phenomenal rendering of what their item is going to look like before we even go into production with it, that just makes it in every way. No more mysteries behind, what is my item going to look like? What's this ring, you know, I'm not quite sure. I'm nervous about what it's going to look like, and I'm not sure whether, you know, so that factor's gone. When you work with a client on a step-by-step basis and they're able to see the layout of their gemstones to their specifications, to their finger size, and then to see a final rendering in the end that looks like literally a finished snapshot of their piece of jewelry that they're going to have. Yeah, I mean, that's just, it's mind-blowing. You're unlimited in what you can offer your client, and when you're in that kind of a position, it's almost impossible to lose that sale.
You know, we had been outsourcing all of our models for a number of years, and we're looking at the market and seeing what's going to be best for our business, what's going to be best for our designs. So we really did the research and came to Solidscape. I mean, that really encompasses a solution for our designs as well as our manufacturing.
Phenomenal. Phenomenal. What it would cost us to produce 10 models is probably 30 to 40% more than the equipment costs to own on a monthly basis. So that's a no-brainer.
Bringing everything in-house really, it makes everything so much faster. You're saving money. You have more control. You have more control over everything, every aspect of manufacturing, from the quality of your cast, to the quality of your build, to the quality of your design. You're doing everything in-house under your own rules and your own game.
If you're having a single model built for you that costs you anywhere from $80 to $120, which is probably the norm out there, and you can build 6 models or 5 models on one run, do the math. It's quite simple.